So everyone, find next reason this user can edit, show all reasons this user can edit, remove all editing permissions for this user. Start enforcement. Ready to apply these settings? These settings you can turn them off later. Yes, start. I am forcing protection. So protection method, password. This document is not encrypted. Malicious user can edit the file and remove the password. So make sure it's not so powerful password or protection. Somebody so still after this protection can changes in this document. So first method is password and another method is user authentication. Authenticated owners can remove document protection. The document is encrypted and restricted access is enabled. So select and click on OK. Your machine isn't set up for information right management IRM. To set up IRM, sign in to Office, open and exiting IRM protected message or document or contact your help desk. So this is the advanced feature we will discuss in advanced lessons, but anyhow we can in basic we can know we can restrict editing for this document using this feature, and we can limit editing by this feature. Hide ink. Hide all of the ink in your document. This will not delete your ink. Clicking the button again will make ink visible. If your document has ink, so it will be hide and ink will be hidden in your this document. So these all options we discuss in this lesson for tab review. So we discuss spelling, grammar, word count, and checking translation, comments, and track changes. Also, we can discuss about accept, comparison, and restrict and limit editing. So in basic, and we have the general idea about these all features, and in advanced lessons and tutorial we will discuss all features with example. Now another feature is view. So click on this view tab. In view, first option and section is views, page movement, show and hide, zoom, and this section for Windows, macros and properties. So firstly, this option is read mode. Click on it. So you can read your document. And in read more, we will find option file, tools. So you can find and you can search, find text or other content in the document. Like you want to find some word, so type here. Here is the result in this panel. How many times this word is used? So 22 times. So you can find easily. Search. You can find any particular word and you can search online. So pick and drop here, press enter. So we discussed previous subject and lesson about this search feature. Close it, this panel. So find and search. What is the difference between find and search? Find is related this document and you can use offline. Search is related online and it's need net connect with your PC or device which where you are using this MS Word document. And another feature, translate. So you will find these three feature. So select, pick and drop there. It's not allowed. Copy and paste, try. So you will find this result. You can insert anywhere, like here, that translated. So this is the read mode, so you can't edit. If you will select, so all paragraph will be selected. Now view. So you can change this mode from read to edit document mode. You can hide and show navigation pane. Switch to print layout so you can make changes to this document and use the editing tools. It's like a tour guide for your document. Click a heading, a page, or a search result, and it will take you right there. So click your navigation pane. In drop down, you will find graphics, tables, equation, footnote, and note comment, and more option. If you need, so use another feature. So it will navigate to you. Column width like narrow, default, wide.